How to buy a REXY token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REXY account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours, and this token trending number 26 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. It's by clicking here to copy the token address and opening funds wallet. For that, as you can see, now after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. After that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, select the provider by clicking on pricing. Now click on provider and select Jupiter. And after that, click on apply and now go back and click here on swap. Now after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a REXY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.